Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace shocks on a Jeep Wrangler JL. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands on a level surface. You will need common metric sockets and wrenches. An 18mm and 19mm are frequently used, along with a torque wrench. Having a factory service manual is also highly recommended for precise torque specifications. Let's get started on upgrading your ride. Now let's tackle removing those old shocks. First, use a floor jack to support the axle, taking tension off the suspension. This makes bolt removal much easier. Locate the lower shock mount and remove the bolt and nut, which are typically 18mm. For the upper mount, you might need to gently pull back a fender liner for access. Once the upper bolt is out, carefully guide the old shock out of its mounting points. Repeat this process for all 4 shocks. With the old shocks out, it's time for the new ones. Begin by loosely installing the upper mount of the new shock. This allows for some play when aligning the lower mount. You may need to slightly raise or lower the axle with your floor jack to perfectly align the lower shock eyelet with its bracket. Once aligned, insert the lower bolt and nut, fastening them loosely. Now, you're ready to torque everything down to specification, ensuring a secure fit. For the final and crucial step, let's ensure everything is properly torqued. Front upper and lower shock bolts should be tightened to 52 foot-pounds, then an additional 55 degrees. Rear upper shock bolts require 37 foot-pounds, and rear lower shock bolts need 65 foot-pounds. Always use a calibrated torque wrench for accuracy. After driving approximately 100 miles, it is essential to recheck all suspension component torque to ensure nothing has loosened. Enjoy your improved ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.